All right, we're here almost there at the Waimea Falls, and it's kind of a little bit small out here from the far, but we'll go check it out at the closest and go swim in how far it is. They said it's 40 feet.
Pre. Alam mo ba't sa umaga lang ako lumulutang? Kasi,
Sige. Lumapit ka sa akin. Okay, tapos pag slow mo tayo pang halik. Parang halik. Pero okay lang din kung gusto mo humalik talaga.
So guys, nandito kami at sobrang lalim. So yung falls is 45 feet up at saka yung deep ng tubig dito is 30 feet down.
Halina't sumabay, ganito podcast, panoorin nyo ba? Simple